Want to know how to add videos to your proposal to stand out? I'll show you exactly how to do that in this quick 3-minute tutorial. Adding videos to your proposals is an excellent way to grab attention, engage your audience, and increase your chances of closing deals. Whether you're presenting to clients, pitching a project, or sharing your ideas with a team, videos can make your proposal stand out and feel more personal. So, let's dive in. First, you need to choose the right software. After testing some of the most popular options out there, I found one that offers all the features you need for adding videos to your proposals seamlessly. And don't worry, I'll share a link for a free trial of this software in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Stick around to the end and I'll show you how to access it. Now, let's get into the actual process of adding videos to your proposal. The first step is to upload your video to the platform you're using. If you're using our software, it allows you to easily upload videos from various sources like YouTube, Vimeo, or directly from your computer. Once your video is uploaded, you'll want to copy the link for easy embedding. The next step is embedding the video into your proposal. With our software, it's as simple as clicking the Insert Video option in your proposal editor. This will let you paste the link you copied earlier. Make sure the video's thumbnail looks clean and professional, as that's what grabs attention at first glance. One great tip to make your video stand out even more is to add a custom thumbnail. The software we're using makes this easy. You can upload your own image or select a frame from the video. This ensures that when your recipient sees your proposal, the video looks polished and appealing. After your video is in place, it's time to think about how to present it. You don't just want to throw a video in there randomly. Be sure to introduce it in your proposal, explaining what the video is about and why it's worth watching. Give context so your audience understands its value. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to take advantage of that free trial in the description. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity to follow along with the exact software I'm using. The key takeaway here is that adding videos to your proposal can really make it stand out and give you an edge over the competition. It's a great way to engage your audience, explain your ideas more effectively, and ultimately close more deals. Make sure to upload your video, embed it seamlessly, and don't forget to customize the thumbnail for maximum impact. Quick recap. Upload your video, embed it with the right software, customize your thumbnail, and introduce it properly in the proposal. And remember, grab the exclusive free trial in the description below to start using the software for your own proposals. Thanks for watching.